Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tariq Masood. Today I'm going to discuss emotional intelligence model self-expression lecture number 3. So before my lecture I used to read Quranic verse Rabbi Shrahli Sadri wa Yasli Amri Wahalal Uqdatum min Lisani Yafqahu Qawli Rabbi Zidni Ilma. I'll try my best to keep my lecture short and specific. Okay. As you know, this is a baseline of my lecture. I'm still emotional intelligence. Probably next couple of weeks looks like where I'm going to spend more time on emotional intelligence. Later on, personality assessment and organizational behavior. That is part of leadership versatility index. Okay, model of emotional intelligence, self-expression, lesson number 3. Okay. I'm still self-expressions. In my next target, I'm going to discuss interpersonal, decisions maker, and stress management system. Okay, as I have mentioned earlier, so today I'm going to discuss only independence, and later stage I will conclude independence, how balanced emotion intelligence can be linked or concluded as far as independence is concerned. Okay, what is the independence? The ability to be self directed and free from emotional dependency on others, decisions making, planning, and daily tasks are completed autonomously. So, that is how independence demonstrates its value. Okay, dependence self directed, free from emotional dependency. Being independent means that you are capable of feeling, thinking, and working on your own. Your results show that you are usually willing and capable of showing your own course of action. You are comfortable being a leader and followers, which is desired in most workplace. There may be times when the risk and responsibility of being independent is too heavy and you allow others to step up and take charge of a situation. Consider the following interpretation of your results. You are comfortable making most decisions on your own. You sometimes welcome or request guidance or reassurance from others. You will consult others for advice but usually make the ultimate decisions. You accept responsibility for your decisions knowing that at times people will disagree with you. Okay, now independence impact at works. Emotional implications. Think of dependence as the stage for showcasing your others' emotional intelligence abilities. Because you are able to think and behave freely, you are likely to demonstrate to your colleagues your strength in other areas of emotional intelligence. What you believe or strengths is consistent with what others observe in. Okay, in my next slide here, over here, no impact at work as far as the social and behavior implication. Although you are willing and able to work with others and make decisions in collaboration with others people, you have the ability to remain self-directed and free from emotional dependency. You take initiative and feel confident doing so, yet you do not damage productive working relationship by excluding others when you make decisions. You may find there are some instances at work when you are more dependent on others than you wish to be. Number two, it is important to determine why your dependence wavers in these situations and work toward strengthening this ability even further. Now, dependency strategies for actions build more autonomy. Decades of research has shown that being autonomous at work is one of the leading contributors at job satisfactions because your tendency is to work independently. First, the next time you are in meeting, ask other how do you feel about these directions or what is your gut telling you about the decision. Identify the causes of your colleagues' emotion and how their emotion impact their buy-in to a decision. They will help not only to show that you are care about others, feeling empathy, but to give you the information you need to predict how colleagues will react in the future. Okay, now I'm going to discuss strategies for action, predict reaction. To further develop your independence, it is important to identify situations where you remain overly tied to what others think. Particularly, if your interpersonal sub skills are high, you may be inclined to follow the team to avoid conflict or beside your relationship. When you find yourself being more dependent than you wish to be, list possible reaction others may have to the decisions you may list both. Number one, list both negative reactions. For example, my team might feel I am neglecting their opinions, and positive reaction. For example, my team might be energized by a decision they had not even considered before. When you can predict possible reactions, you are better informed to make your decisions free of dependence on others. So this is how predict reaction by your colleagues and others. Okay, this is my last slide. I'm balancing emotional intelligence as far as independence is concerned. Your independence is lower than your interpersonal relationship results. To balance these components, recognize the importance of being a team player without becoming overly reliant on the directions or support of others. Be collaborative but retain the courage of your convictions. This section compares independence with problem solving, emotional self awareness, and interpersonal relationship. The sub skills that differ the most from independence is interpersonal relationship. Improving the interplay between these subscales is likely to significantly impact your overall emotional intelligence. Thank you very much. Please send me your feedback and comments t.masood.dear@path.edu.